Let's go, my stock market bulls and bears, baby. Am I excited for today's video because, as you know, I am your boy, Terry Tillman, also known as Mr. LCA. And I am officially the mayor of G-Noggville. That is right, the mayor is here. Guys, I know you know what I'm going to say. We are off to the moon in G-Noggville, man. G-Noggville, all smiles right here because the stock is going up in the right direction, guys. We're up over like 5+%. My options contract was up another 13% today on the gains. Oh, life is so good right now being a G-Nog investor. So let's hope this baby keeps going up so all the haters can eat it that didn't believe it. And we're finally on the momentum. We're about ready to break $14 a share. And I think once this momentum starts to hit, it's going to be 15 for you know it, 16 for you know it. And it's going to be up there for you know it, guys. So hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit the thumbs up. Join the thumbs up nation. Guys, let's get to it, baby. Let's go! Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that intro. As you can see, we are still green for the day. And it's up only 0.5%, up 12 bucks on the portfolio right now. But if we go over here and look at the portfolio action, which I'm excited about, look at LCA, man. Up 5.12%, up to $13.97 a share. Man, my Fidelity account jumped up like crazy today because 135 shares on there, 100 shares here on Robinhood. Genius Brands killed me, man. That's why I'm down. Oh, Genius Brands. I thought you were going to give me good news, but no, they had a little bad earnings report on the call today. So they did go down a little bit, but it is what it is. I still think Genius Brands long-term is a winner. Just right now, people ain't buying too much goods with the pandemic going on. But anyway, we're here to talk about LCA, man. Look at this beautiful footage up here. My $15 call on LCA expiring February 19th of 2021, guys, is up 15.79%. Woo! Daddy, is it up. I also did buy a $20 long call on Genius Brand, so we'll see how that plays out as well. But if we go to this LCA long call here, as you can see here, this is what we want to get into. Look at this bad boy here, guys. So let me get this right out of the way. So here it is, man. Is it too late to still get in? No, it's not, because we're not at $15 yet. As I tell you guys, anything above $15 for the next 6 months, you might still have a chance to double your money, but you're at that breaking point. We're almost at $14, so get in now before it's too late. And as you can see right here, this options contract now, in order for me to break even, I need LCA to be at $16.95 because I did a $15 strike price and I paid $195 for the contract. But as you can see, my total return as of now, and guys, we still have over 3 months to go, I'm up over 12% on the total return, up $25. So this call is looking good. We're already up 12%. So we have over 3 months to go for news. Oh my God, I wish I would have bought more. Oh, this contract is looking so beautiful already. And I've only had the contract for, when did I buy? The 11th. So I've had this contract 5 days. I paid $195 for the contract. And it is looking beautiful. So I'm very happy on that contract, guys. So go trade your LCA options. Let's go take a look at that real quick, because I do want to look at my shares real quick. Let's look at this beautiful footage. And then we're going to get into some good updates here. But I just wanted to kind of talk about this real quick. So as of right now, I still have my 100 shares here on Robinhood, average cost of $12.78. As you can see, guys, my total return is up 9.3%, up $118.85. Woo-wee! We are starting to get there, but I know we're going to have a video when you're going to see this mug right here doing this when we hit the home run, and you're going to see that total return of 100%. It's coming. It is coming. And this is finally what we've been waiting for, man, right here. This great footage. So let's get into the news, then we'll come back to the contract, because some people may want to be in the video just for the news, and I've been blabbing on. But I'm just excited, man. We're seeing some green money days in LCA. It's been a long time coming. Okay, so real quick, this is what we needed to cover, man, the Michigan right now, because this is possible news for Michigan, and I thought we needed to go over this. So Michigan online casinos and sports betting launch updates today, November the 16th. So this is fresh off the press, 10:30 a.m. MGCB focuses on December launch for online gaming. Great news. The Michigan Gaming Control Board is focused on December launch of online gambling. Its spokesperson confirmed Play Michigan. Mary Kay Bean said in an email that December launch hinges on the Joint Committee of Administration Rules acting on the rules along with timely submission and required information from operators, platform providers, suppliers, and vendors. At this stage, the launch depends primarily on the actions of other operators, platform providers, suppliers, vendors, and jikh being wrote. This week's MGCB plans to send a pre-launch checklist to the operator and platform providers. The checklist will cover licensing, internal control standards, platform and game review approval, branding, operational licensing. Guys, I'm loving the way this is going because we're starting to get a little leeway here on Michigan. They're starting to get the paperwork and stuff going. So they're really pushing forward in Michigan. And this next part is kind of 50-50. It's kind of good and bad, but I think it's more good than bad. But let's get into it and we'll come back and review on it here, guys. So Rep. Kara Bolden, a Democrat on the jikh, indicated on Twitter on Sunday that plans to move forward rolls the forward hinge on actions from the committee of Chair Senator Pete Lucusio, a Republican. So we got a concerned citizen here, Jacqueline, and I must say thank you, Jacqueline, on Twitter for asking this question. She said, with casinos closing, will it be fast-tracking the online gambling rules? I asked since you were in the committee that has these rules. So then Kara Harris Bolden on Twitter replied back. So it says here, session and committees were canceled because there was a COVID outbreak amongst its legislators. So I think that there is key, guys. There was a lot of people worried about they're not getting the vote on in Michigan and that the time that they filed could possibly expire. But it's not going to expire because there was an actual COVID outbreak in the Michigan there at the legislators. So due to COVID, there is no timeline now, basically, is what that's sounding like. And they're being very understanding because they had COVID. They couldn't be there to vote on it. So that is why there is a delay. It makes sense that there was a COVID outbreak amongst the legislators. So we're getting some answers here. And that's why I like it. We're going to continue reading on here. And I think this next part's kind of funny. In addition, the legislature is currently adjourned for the hunting break and then for Thanksgiving. Like, are you kidding me, guys? We're not getting the vote on online gambling because there's a hunting break. I guess this is a Michigan thing. I don't know. Is a lot of people have where they live a hunting break? People get off work to go hunting to control the wild animal population, but we need online gambling, man. My Golden Nugget family wants some gains right now. Y'all need to get in there and vote, then go hunting. Let's face it, you're going to vote yes because you want the tax dollars, you want the revenue, and you want the business on your website. So just get in there and vote yes, go 2 seconds, check yes, and then go hunt all you want. That's my opinion. And have a happy Thanksgiving. So just get it done. We want to get this in Michigan, man. You got a viewer here, a resident in Michigan, Jacqueline, asking to get it done because they're probably at home bored and they want to gamble on their phone. So get it done. So I do think overall this is pretty good. So this here says, Play Michigan reached out last week to Lacuto, who was elected as this month Macomb County prosecutor for the next week, and he has not yet heard back. So there it is, guys. That is the update on Michigan, and honestly, overall, I feel pretty good about it. I think that we're on the right track, and we got some answers, because I think they originally said the original filing was October the 6th. But people was worried that it was going to expire and they'd have to start the process over. But now we learned from a representative and the legislator that someone had a COVID outbreak, and that there is why we got the delay. So I think that is answers that we needed from Michigan. And I think because of that, they're going to extend the time frame on that. So honestly, I feel really great. And with this stock going up like this now, it just means that more people is learning about the iGaming market. And we are on the way, guys. I'm telling you. The shares are looking good. My options contract is going to the moon. And once this, I can't wait to see what this options contract's going to look like when this thing's like $25, $30. Woo-wee! And if we can get there before February, like, oh, Lord, this is looking good. And we are going to circle back to that contract to see if it's still too late for you guys to get in on that contract and how much it's going to cost you now that the price went up, to see how much of a difference it is. But it may not be too bad. I did have another special treat for you guys. And I just wanted to cover this because we know that Golden Nugget is in New Jersey, okay? They're doing phenomenal in New Jersey. The revenues are fantastic. They just posted 28 million revenues in October, which is phenomenal. We know that now why there is a Michigan delay. We got the answers to that. And we know that they're also having their eye on Pennsylvania. So I went onto the Play Pennsylvania website, and unfortunately there is no really update to give you, but there's nothing on the website. So I just wanted to bring that to you. And as I went on here and looked under like online gambling, there is no, nothing for Golden Nugget here. So I just wanted to bring that to you. As you can see, online casinos is FanDuel, Unibet, DraftKings, and Hollywood Online Casino. And I even scrolled down through here on the Pennsylvania website, doing my due diligence and hoping for one day. And as you can see down here in the ranked PA casinos, there is no Golden Nugget yet. They have 9 different casinos listed here, or 8 different casinos listed, and none listed yet, guys. So I did want to get on here and show you that I am checking up on the Pennsylvania, because once I see something on the website, there's going to be a video out on it. And here's why I think we are closer to Michigan. So as you saw on Play Pennsylvania, there is nothing at all. But if you go to Michigan and go right here to, where was it at? Yes. If you go right here to online casinos, Golden Nugget's already a tab on there. So, and you click on it, it takes you to this here. I showed you guys this before in previous videos, but that's why I like that Michigan's possibly going to happen, because it's already on the website. So why would they put it on the website to kind of tease you if they're not going to give it to us? So Michigan, I feel really great on. Pennsylvania, we got a little work to do because it's not even on the website yet. But I'm going to say Michigan, in my honest opinion, I feel it's in the bag because they gave us the reason to why it hasn't been voted on yet. And I don't think why they wouldn't vote on it, but, remains to be seen. Another quick update here, which I love looking at Yahoo Finance. Look at that market cap now. 547 million market cap, guys. We are growing. We are growing. We're going to be over 550 million market cap here soon. And I think that's very key. As you can see here, we went up 56 cents for a 4.21% gain during the hours. After hours, we still went up 5 more cents for another 0.36, which I think it's key that people's not really selling off too much. So I think there could be a little bit of people taking small gains and selling off, but I'm not here for that. I'm here for the big gains, man. I'm here for the moon. And the moon is going to be $30, $25, $30 range. And like I said, my Robinhood, I'm going to be selling options on my 100 shares. I'm going to be selling calls out for people to buy. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell calls on my 100 shares when this thing's over $25, and I'll sell them for like $30 calls. Take the premium, keep that process going on the wheel strategy. If you guys want to know more about my plans on the wheel strategy for Golden Nugget LCA, comment down below, and I will do that in a future video for you, my plans of my shares. Okay, so if we go back here, I just want to show you guys SEC. There is no more updates from what I covered the other day. Still the November 13th interactive data filing. Like I said, you can go check that out. sec.gov, type in LCA. You can pull this up. You want to read through all the footage there, go ahead and do that. And the last thing I want to do in this video, guys, first is I want to say thank you for everyone that has been supporting the videos. Man, guys, we've been getting a lot of people in the live premieres, which has been really cool. I love taking screenshots when we hit these record numbers and posting them in a thank you video, basically, a G-Nog and chill style video. Try to do those about once or twice a week. I think they're really fun. People really like them. So, is it too late to get in to get this options call? Let's go check it out. Is it too late? So if we get on here and do trade LCA options, and you want to buy a call, but we're going to change the date to February 19th, 2021. So, oh yeah, it's still not too late, guys, but you're going to pay a little more than I did. So I paid $195 for this same contract, but if you're going to purchase it today, it's going to cost you $220 for the contract. So I still think that there is possible room to grow. Because like I said, I think this is $25, $30 stock all day long. And by February, I think we should be in the $25 range possibly. So that is my goal on this options contract, is $25 by February. And I think that's going to get us some good gains. So I think you only have to be like $17 to break even on that. But if we go ahead and click it, and we'll do continue and do one contract. Yeah, so it'll cost you $220 to do this contract on LCA. So I think you're at the point where you want to buy it now, because if this thing goes up to $14, $15, and $15, you don't want to buy it. It's just going to be, too much money. But I think this is the breaking point in this video. I'm going to tell you guys that start buying now or wait for a dip, and you better hope a dip comes, because if the dip don't come, you're going to be wishing you did. So that is my advice. Before $14, buy it now, because if it's over $14, you're cutting it close, guys. You're cutting it close to get that home run status within the next possibly 6 months to a year in this stock. Who knows where it can go? As you know, I'm going to the moon with this bad boy. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Join the thumbs up nation. I appreciate and love every single one of you guys. So alright guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip. Baby, let's